yourself.
Sir, my name is Priyanka Patel from Satna, and I have done Java internship at Siva Concept Solution Indore, and I have post-graduated BNCA at APS University Riga.
Okay. Okay. So right now you have prepared for Java, na?
Yes.
Okay. So what is Java.lang package?
Sir, it is default package.
Okay. Can we create multiple main methods in a single Java program? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. We can
Okay.
create multiple methods.
So which main method will be called by default?
Sir, sorry, sir.
I have created multiple main method. Then which main method is called by default? In one program, I have created two main method, three main method, four main method. Then which is the default main method? My question was this.
Sir, default main method.
String parameters based main method will be the default main method. Okay. So this is the practice interview. Okay. That's why I am questioning and answering both. If you are unable to answer, then I will answer. Okay. Okay. The next question. What do you mean by data encapsulation?
Sir, data encapsulation means data binding in a single unit. Sir, it is used to uh, protect directly access data member.
Okay. So how you can protect data members? Suppose that I want to protect any data members. I have account number field. I want to protect this. Then what you will do?
Sir, using the abstract class.
I am just asking single data members, means single fields account numbers, and I want to protect this. Then what you will do?
Sir, we can create private or final method.
You can create private and final. What is the difference between static and final?
Sir, static means means it is create memory after compilation time, and it is create without it is execute without object.
Okay. And final?
Sir, final. Sir, if we create a final keyword, any method in class.
So my question is that when you will create final variables or final method, then which memory they will use? They will use static memory or dynamic memory?
So static memory.
By default it will use static memory, or we will write final static, then it will take the static memory. My question is that final static is must, or directly we can write final? I think that final must be static, okay, because our main concern to declare the final is to create the constant, and constant means fixed value. If you want to create fixed value, then why you are creating the instance type of data members? So for that we must be create final variables to static. Okay, this is the implementations. Now the next questions. What is the main difference between for loop and while loop?
Sir, main difference while loop is mostly prefer infinite condition,
Okay.
and for loop is mostly preferred finite condition.
Okay, means finite condition based program will be created by for loop.
Yes.
And infinite condition based program will be created by while loop. This is your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Little bit correct. The another difference is that the for loop performance is better as compared to while loop.
Yes.
Okay. Because the for loop contains all the sub statement under a single block, but while loop contains separately. Okay. So if your condition is not fixed, suppose that your condition is unexpected, then you will prefer while loop. Your condition is expected, means your condition is predefined, then you will prefer for loop. Okay. Can we write for loop in while style? For loop, we can write for loop in while style. in while loop style? Yes, we can write. You can just put in the initialization at the top in for, you can put two semicolon for initialization and conditions. Okay, and you just write conditions and you can write any increment in statement under the block. Then you can write for loop under the while style. Okay, how Java perform method overriding?
Sir, method overriding, it will create same name method from base class to derived class, but functionality will be different.
Okay, that means without inheritance we can do method overriding.
Without inheritance, yes.
We can do, never do. Inheritance is must. Inheritance is required for method overriding. Okay, without inheritance we cannot implement method overriding. Okay, without inheritance you can only implement method overloading. Okay, so overriding feature. Why we use overriding features?
So means access features base class to derived class.
If we want to change the functionality, of the any function in the program, then we will use method overriding concept. Okay, so method overriding concept is specially used to change the functionality, nothing else. Okay, what is finalize keyword?
Sir, finalized keyword, it is used to mostly a garbage collection.
Okay,
Yes, sir, and
so when garbage collector will call, compilation time or runtime?
sir, compilation.
Garbage collector never will be called at compilation time. Garbage collector always will be called at runtime. Okay. Garbage collectors means this is a runtime process. Okay, so you understand this. So this type of questions, if interviewer will ask to you during interview, then first you should think about it. What is the question? Okay, then you will answer. What is the static block?
Sir, static block. Sir, static block call before main method, and it is create memory after compilation time.
Okay, it will call main method. It will execute before main method.
Sir, and we can initialize data. Static data member.
I am not creating main method. I am just creating a static block. Then a static block will call or not?
Sir, not without main method.
Without main method, it will not call. Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Okay. What is the deep copy in Java?
Sir, deep copy.
Yes.
Sir, it is used to store new object.
What is the comparator in Java?
Comparator. Sir, comparator, it is an interface and it is provide compare method compared to two different objects. Sir,
Comparator contain compare method or compare to method? Which one?
Sir, compare method.
Compare method. Okay. How many parameters it will accept? How many parameters it will accept? Means compare methods parameters I am asking.
So by default it is reset.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay.